couple of months ago, I was approached by Darren Washington, who heads up the Centre Space Gallery on the Spode site in Stoke-on-Trent, to come up with an idea, an installation, to really celebrate the workforce that worked there back in the day. So I've now committed myself to making a beaker to really represent every single member of the workforce in its heyday, which we're talking turn of the century, 1900s. We're really representing every man, woman and child that worked within the space itself. And what we're trying to do is really celebrate the communities that were created by these large mass production factories. And accompanying this, what we're doing is we're getting on a community artist called Dan Thompson, wonderful bloke, who created a book called The London Road, which was all about Stoke-on-Trent. And we want to sort of produce a soundscape of various monologues of people talking about their experiences. These people that worked in these large ceramic factories were incredibly skilled, and they used to go in, day out, and do these amazing, skillful jobs with this thing called clay, which they were incredibly sort of in tune with, and produced this wonderful work. Now, I recently visited the Dudson factory that's just recently closed, and the one thing that you really notice when you walk in is that the spirit of the people is still there. Everyone's gone, but there's still this real sense of the community that work there. There's kilns that half packed. There were glaze bins that were ready to be to be used in the glazing process. And the one thing that's missing, the lifeblood of the factory, is the workforce and the communities that these workforces created. And this is what we really want to celebrate with this installation. And you know, we're planning on launching this at the same time as the BCB, and it'll be a satellite exhibition on the Spode site itself in the old showrooms. And I really want you to come and visit it, and really with me and with the whole team celebrate through this installation the great sort of affinity to the clay that these workforces had, and this wonderful communities that they created.